Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 18% and its applications exercise 18G question 4. And it says two equal sums were lent out at 7% and 5% interest respectively. The interests earned on the two loans add up to rupees 960 for 4 years. What is the total sum lent out, right? So we have to find. Now again, it's just like the previous question. Two equal sums that were lent out are given to us. What we have to find is the total sum that was lent out. Now understand the difference between the sum and the total sum. See, two equal sums, this means what? Suppose 1000, just like the previous question, right? 1000 was lent out. So 1000 was lent out in two equal sums. So 1000 at this much interest, 1000 at this much interest separately. Now the total sum is being asked. So you will not find the value of the sum, that is the sum that is being given out, lent out separately, that is 1000. No, whenever we are being asked the total value, we have to add the number of sums given. Suppose there are three sums given and all three are 1000 rupees each. So we will add all the 1000 three times, that will give you 3000. So that becomes your total sum. Same goes here, two sums are given, so we will add the value of both of the sums. That will be the total sum, not just the value of one sum. Now see here that it says were lent out at 7% and 5% interest respectively. Now here you see that first of all, let the sum of money be x, right? Money be rupees x. Now this is the sum of money and this we have assumed, right? This is rupees x. Now it is being lent out at two different rates. One is 7%, other is 5%, and the time that is given is what? Read the question and you will find it for 4 years. So this is your time, right? Because no other time is given, so we will take this only into consideration. So 4 years is our time. Okay, so principal is x and time is 4 years, right? These two will be the same, and just like the previous question, we will first find the simple interest here. See, again the rate will vary from one interest to the other. So first I'll find the simple interest on the rate at 7%, right? So the simple interest becomes what? 7 into 4 into x upon 100, PRT upon 100. This is what it becomes. So solve this up, 1 and 25. Alright, 4 goes 1 times by 4, 100 goes 25 times by 4. So we get 7x upon 25. This becomes our simple interest on 7% rate. Now we will find simple interest on this 5% rate, right? Now same thing here, principal will be the same, that is x. The time will also be the same, that is 4 years, but the rate will change to 5%, right? Again simple interest becomes PRT, so 5 into 4 into x upon 100. Again you can cancel 100 with 5 or 4, totally up to you. Cancellation you can do on your method, totally up to you, right? So 25 and 5 goes 1 and 5 times, right? So we get here x, right? Nothing is left in the numerator, so x is only left upon, and again here we are left with 5 in the denominator. So x upon 5 becomes the simple interest. Again I'll repeat, 7x upon 25 is simple interest on 7% rate, whereas x upon 5 is simple interest on 5% rate. Again, now you see this, that it says the interests earned on these two loans add up to rupees 960 for 4 years. You can just exclude the 4 years part and see what it says. Interests earned on these two loans. Interests we have already found out, 7x 25 and x by 25. These are the interests. So this means what? That the interests earned add up to 960, right? This means that this and this, when we will add both of these, we will get what? Rupees 960. It's given, it adds up to 960, right? So these two are the only interests that we have found out, 7x upon 25, x upon 25. and both of these interests will give you 960. So we will add them because again it's given add up to. So add them. Now with this, solve this question just like the normal way we do, right? So again 525 LCM becomes 25. 7x will be as it is 5 and x becomes 5 into 5 25. So x into 5, that is 7x plus 5x equals to 960, and we'll solve this up. So 7x plus 5x becomes 12x upon 25, and that equals to 960, and x equals to 960. This entire fraction will come here, so it will be reciprocated. 25 upon 12, cancel this 12, cancel this 96. So 96, 8, right? 8080. Now 8 into 25, 25 8s are, that is basically 200, and 10 is left here, so put that as well. This is x. Now remember what I told in the very beginning, that is that the sum of money will not just be x, but it will be the total sum, that is the number of sums into this one value sum. Basically two sums are there, but this 2000 is for 1x and we have to find for 2x, right? So basically your answer becomes what? 2000 is the value of 1, multiply this by 2 because 2 equal sums were lent out. So your answer becomes rupees. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 zeros, 4000, right? This becomes our total sum that was lent out. 2000 is just for one sum, but 4000 is for two sums. So this becomes your answer, rupees 4000. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and